In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Steam account on your MacBook. So first, on your MacBook, look up Steam, click Welcome to Steam, and then install Steam. So install it on your MacBook like this, then click Download. Now you just double click this, then drag it to your application. Now that you have installed it, you just click Command Space to open up Spotlight and look up Steam. Double click that, and now it is opening, and then just click open from the internet. There you go, it is now updating. And while you're waiting, open up a Google tab again and look up Steam Create Account. Then click Create Your Account. Then you'll need to just create your account by entering your email address, confirm your email address, and then verify you're a human. So I'm gonna do that right now. Click continue, and now you just have to check your email for the actual Steam account setup. There it is right here. Just click verify my email address. There we go. Now we can return to the window, which is right here. And now we just can either create a separate account or use the existing one. So I'm just gonna do use existing account, but you're just gonna have to click continue and then you just sign in. So now that we have Steam downloaded, you just want to input your email and then your password that you created it with. If this helped you, subscribe, and that is how you create an account with Steam on your MacBook.